पर्वरी GCLच्या मॅचीक तरणाट्यांचो उत्स्फूर्त प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा। मॅचीक फामाद राष्ट्रीय खेळगडे खेळिल्ल्यान बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा। RD एक्सपो खातीर पर्वरीच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
Between DY Patil won the toss, elected to bat first. ONGC have decorated the field. So get a lofted shot, beats the shot field and gets the boundary. Nicely worked by the fielder this time. Good looking drive, nice and straight down the ground. Perfect timing. Opening the face of the bat. Just shot ball and pulled this time. Against the distance. Watchfully played, ace is the call and straight away gets off the mark with a single. Played for India under 19. Immensely talented Sarfaraz Khan. So 4's gone, 31 for 2. Sohail Sharma. Nicely played by Sarfaraz Khan, straight to the covers. The captain comes out in the middle.